I do a little mini tour here. It's later August. Some leaves have been falling. Still have a one cool flower right here. Ferns are starting to show some brown on the edges. It's been pretty hot. I don't know, maybe that's part of maybe that's what's doing it. Or maybe it's just because it's later in the year. The cone flowers have reached the end, ready to seed off. The Rosa Sharon are still flowering. Really nice addition. And different colors. The darker and the lighter colors, or maybe it's just when they open up. And we got the goldenrod getting ready. Oh, actually some is already out. I know a lot of people do not like the goldenrod, but if you love bees, you might want to reconsider because they are crazy about the goldenrod. There's some different bees right here. I don't see the honeybees. Milkweed here. More Rosa Sharon behind them. Our accent fence, which I really would like to do some more of that because I have more in the garage I'd like to get welded. Stone fence, which I'm sure has dropped some. Rosa Sharon's really look great. Kind of towards the end, maybe. I'm not sure. Lots of cool flowers yet. And we're over to the side that we're working on. So I do hope to do a bunch of priming, maybe tomorrow. At some point, pull the lift over and take some more of this tree top off. We're cutting a few branches out of our copper European beech, so they're not in the way of the lift. Now, I do worry about this tree, but it's one massive tree. I hope it stays healthy. Huge. It's a good 3 feet across. That one right there. Even at, gosh, even at 14 feet up in the air, I'd say it's 3 feet across. Our well hasn't been getting any work this year yet, but it does have the roof is still in good shape. I don't know if you remember, but we had done several videos on that, I think. It was early on, though, so may not have done as much video as what I think. But we put a full new side on here and repaired the other side. We had to stand it up, get it straight, too. So I had to put new bases on it. Very heavy with that slate. I mean, there's a lot of lumber in there without the slate, but that slate roof really adds a lot of weight to this thing. So I do have more work to do on it. This is very important to keep this solid and nice, because it's a really nice addition to the place. Okay, so that's a little short tour. And I think I'm going to call it an evening.